It's Mario Armstrong with Wake Up and Level Up, a daily video podcast right here to kickstart your day under 5 minutes with a quick dose of inspiration. Today I want to talk to you about tangible affirmations. We all know about affirmations and how affirmations can help give us guidance and give us a North Star, something that we would like to see happen in our lives. We can say and repeat over and over and over. Many of us have these on our phones. We may even have them as notes on our bathroom mirrors, on our refrigerators. Like, it is the idea of repeating a phrase over and over and over so that you believe it, but that you also pursue it and that you are creating energy to attract it and manifest it. I want to take what I call affirmations to a different level with something called tangible affirmations. Now, these are physical ways of representing your affirmation. For example, this shoe right here. You see me right now. I'm in the sneaker closet. This is also my meditation den. It is also the place where I get inspiration and creativity and ideas, but it's also the place where I put on my shoes. So when I come into the sneaker den, there have been shoes that have been that I will only be able to wear unless I've reached certain milestones or certain goals that I've set for myself. So I call these tangible affirmations. So for example, this particular silver Adidas shoe, I could not wear until we launched the very first episode of season 1 of the Never Settle Show. It took us 2 years to get that show launched. So this shoe sat in this closet for 2 years, and every single day I would see this shoe as a reminder of the affirmation, of my purpose, of the goal. When I'd have those long days and I'd be down and out, I'd look up and I'd say, oh, there's that silver shoe. That's right. I'm going to get you on my foot soon. I'm going to get you on my foot soon. Okay, so I'm talking about ways that you can maybe come up with things that they don't have to be expensive, but things that you could maybe potentially buy for yourself that you see physically, but can't do anything with it because it represents you having to reach a certain milestone. Whatever your tangible affirmation is, that's all I really wanted to get into your head, is a way for you to take those affirmations that are written that seem to be intangible and turn it into something that is a physical reminder for you at all times. This could be a t-shirt. It could be a hat. It could be a pair of socks you won't wear until you hit a certain milestone. This doesn't have to be anything expensive. That is not the point. The point is to have this physical reminder of a goal or a milestone that you want to achieve, and for it to be there in your face. So when you are on your mission, man, let me tell you something, when you're able to accomplish that milestone, and you will, because it's an affirmation, when you accomplish that milestone and you put that hat on, or you take that picture, or you post it on Instagram, or you wear those socks, or you put on that shoe, I'm telling you, the feeling that you get of the achievement of sticking true to your purpose and your goal is unimaginable. So set more affirmations, and if you can, set tangible affirmations. Now that I woke you up, it's time for you to level up.